Installing Anzo headlights on your Ford F-150 is simple with basic hand tools. When finished, your truck will have a whole new look. Here's what you'll need. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove the two 10mm bolts from the top of the light. Be sure to remove the Phillips push pin from the rubber flap. Pull the flap to one side and remove the 10mm bolt holding the housing in place. Pull the light straight out and remove the light sockets by twisting and pulling outward. Disconnect and remove the factory HID bulb and ballast and bolt them onto your new Anzo headlights. Install the new Anzo headlight onto your truck. Be sure that everything lines up and plugs in correctly. And replace your stock bolts and push pin. Repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and make sure to check the function of the signals, low beams and high beams before taking your truck down the road. Remember to realign your truck's new headlights. Park 25 feet from a wall and place a strip of tape 3.5 feet from the ground and adjust the headlight in the factory location. Your new truck is ready to drive. The new Anzo lights give your truck a whole new look and allow you to see better than ever. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see our complete line of lighting products for your vehicle.